Yeah, she moves her body just like Kayako Saiki on The Grudge. It's the way she does it, it's so creepy. Like her bones were like, oh my god, this like it was so creepy just the way Benny does it. She could do the Grudge bone too. She scared the living shit out of me this morning. When she did the Grudge walk on me. I ran down the stairs but almost tripped. She was laughing. She was laughing at me. I can't believe she can do the Grudge walk. That's so scary, like. Why did she learn how to twist her body like that? Damn. Not even a fat woman can do that. Cause like she lost a lot of her body fat. And that's why she can do the Grudge walk. It's so scary.